In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales notification pop-up in WordPress. Unfortunately, since WordPress doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Claspo platform. Once you click to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to click on Start for Free, which will then take you to the sign up page of Claspo, and here you need to decide how you want to sign up for the platform. In my particular case, I'm going to go ahead and sign up using my Google account. Once you're signed up, this is the page that you're going to see. Now, before I show you how to set everything up, if you take a look on the left-hand side of the screen right here, you will see that by default, you will be assigned to the free plan. If you go ahead and click on that, I want to quickly run you through the usage and limitations of the free plan, just so you can see if it's the right plan for you or if you need to choose a different plan. If you take a look at the bottom of the page right here, you can see some of the usage and limitations that the free plan comes with. For example, you can have as many users as you want on your account, you can have up to one website, you can create as many widgets as you want, and then your widgets can get up to 10,000 monthly page views on your WordPress website. Do bear in mind that the free plan also comes with a Powered by Claspo badge, so if you want your widget to be 100% ad-free, or if you plan to get more than 10,000 monthly page views, then go ahead and click on the upgrade plan right here, which will take you to the plans page. This is what it looks like, and as an example here is the Pro 50 plan. With the Pro 50 plan, for example, you get up to 50,000 monthly page views on your widgets on WordPress. As part of the plan, you can also access all the features and functionalities that the platform has to offer. You can have up to one website, no Powered by Claspo badge, unlimited widgets, unlimited team members, and priority support. And if you go ahead and use the slider and you go to the right, you can access all the bigger plans as well. So go ahead, browse through the different plans, choose the one that works best for you, and if you'd like to save some money, I definitely recommend you subscribe to the plan that you want on an annual basis, as that will save you 25% of the total cost of the plan. So for example, the Pro 250 plan goes from $99 down to $69 per month. And if you'd like to save an additional 20%, you can also use my discount code at checkout, which you can find in the description of this video. If I go ahead and paste it right here, you'll see that it goes from $69 per month down to $55. Now that you know a little bit more about the different plans that the Claspo platform has to offer, let me show you how to create the exact type of sales notification pop-up that you want and how to integrate it with your WordPress website. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on new widget right here on the top, and then you will see this pop up here. The first thing we need to decide is whether you want to create your widget completely from scratch or if you want to choose and customize a template. I would personally recommend you to go for a template because all the templates are fully customizable anyway, and that's going to save you a whole lot of time and effort in the process. So that's the route that I'm going to take. Go ahead and click on Template Library. Once you've clicked on Template Library, you'll then be taken to this page, which is where you can see all the different templates that the Claspo platform has to offer. The first thing we need to do now is narrow down the options so we only see the templates that are relevant to us. To do that, go on the left-hand side of the screen right here, and I want you to check the Display Social Proof option. And then you'll see a bunch of different templates that we can choose from. Don't worry about the initial look just yet, because like I said previously, we can actually customize them to our specific requirements. So yeah, just go ahead and choose the one that you like the most initially. In my particular case, I'm going to go for this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then here we can see what the actual template looks like by default before we make any changes to it. So in order to get into the actual editor, go ahead and click on use this template in the top right corner of the screen. And this is what Claspo's template editor looks like. In my particular case, I'm not going to make a whole lot of changes to my particular notification here because I'm only recording a tutorial video, so it doesn't really matter for me. I just want to quickly show you what's possible, and I'll leave it up to you to customize yours to your requirements. Now, for example, if I want to go ahead and customize a particular element like the image right here as an example, what you want to do is go ahead and click on it, and then on the right hand side, you will see the editor for that particular element. Now, bear in mind, if you click on the text here, the editor changes entirely for the text. So you can see all the editors are on the right hand side here, and depending on the element that you click, you get a slightly different editor. As you can see, the editors are super straightforward. There's nothing really to them that I need to describe in super deep detail. And if you do make any mistakes along the way, you can always go back by clicking on the undo button right here. Now, besides customizing existing elements on your pop-up, you can also add additional components to them as well. To do that, go on the left-hand side of the screen, which is where you can see all the different components they can add to your particular template. Now, bear in mind that the templates are usually quite small, so there's not a whole lot of space right here. So yeah, pick whatever you want to add here. In my particular case, for example, I'm going to use the social media buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this and place it anywhere that I want within the actual pop-up, right here as an example. And then as you can see, my social media buttons go added. And all I have to do now is go ahead and provide the links to each platform. That way, when somebody clicks on Instagram as an example, they'll be taken to my Instagram account. But in this particular case, this doesn't really work because the widget is already very small. So we don't want to make it very cramped. We want it to serve its purpose, which is a sales notification that somebody has bought something from us and get people to buy. But yeah, so you can see creating the exact type of sales notification pop-up that you want is very straightforward and super easy to do. Once you're done setting everything up and you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on save in the top right corner of the screen. And then you automatically be taken to this page, which is where we can decide when and how a sales notification pop-up is going to be shown on a WordPress website. Now in my particular case, I'm only going to customize the first two options right here because they're the ones that are relevant to me. However, by all means, go ahead and explore the ones below here and customize them as you see fit. So in terms of display frequency here, currently it's at once per session. In my particular case, I'm going to set it to do not limit. And then in terms of when to display, at the moment, it's set to when all conditions are met, and the condition that we have is spent on page 20 seconds, which basically means that the user has to spend 20 seconds on my WordPress website before the pop-up is shown to them. In my case though, I'm going to set it to immediately, and that's all the changes that I'm going to make like I said previously. Then go ahead and click on next in the top right corner of the screen. You'll then be taken to the integrations page, which is where you can integrate your sales notification pop-up with Google Analytics. In my particular case, that's not relevant, so I'm going to go ahead and skip this step as well. And just like that, we are almost ready to go. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and publish your widget and then click on save in the top right corner of the screen. Once the sales notification pop-up is published, we can start integrating it with your WordPress website. The first thing I want you to do is to click on script right here on the left hand side of the screen. And then from this page, the first thing I want you to do is to add your domain. So go ahead and click on manage and literally paste the URL of your website in here. And once you're ready, go to the bottom of the page and then click on install next to WordPress. And then this is going to open up this window. Go to step number 2, click on copy ID here. And let's head over to WordPress so we can start integrating it. As you can see, I'm already in my WordPress dashboard. And from here, what I want you to do is go on the left hand side of the screen. And then I want you to hover over the plugins button right here. And then I want you to click on add plugin. And then you'll be taken to the WordPress plugin marketplace. Here, what you need to do is go ahead and search for Classpo and then press enter. And then you will see the application or the plugin right here. So go ahead and click on it. And then on the right hand side of the screen, I want you to click on install and activate. Once the plugin has been installed on your WordPress website, you will see this page. Here, what I want to do is go to the script ID field and simply paste the script ID that we just copied previously from the Classpo platform and then click on connect. Once you've done that, you will see this message. So let's return to Classpo and see if the script has been installed properly. In step number 3, click on check, and if it's green, it's all ready to go. The next thing you want to do is simply go ahead and preview your website and see if your sales notification pop-up is there and if it's functioning as intended. Here's my website, and if you take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see my sales notification pop-up. It looks super nice and clean, and it's also fully interactive. And that's about it. That's how to create a sales notification pop-up in WordPress. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.